Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Right now we are on the main interstate, I-95, you know, the one that goes all the way from New York down to Miami. I have Siri talking to me. We're going to get off at 395. That's going to take us straight to the port of Miami, and we're going on another cruise. So today we're going on Carnival Cruise Lines, and we're doing a 4-day cruise. We're going to go to Key West tomorrow, and then we are going to head to Cozumel for the day, spend the day there, and then we have a fun day at sea, and then we'll be back here in Miami. So we're going to park our car at the port. I think it's about $10 for the day, each day. So I'm battling Siri right now, as usual. But let's go. We're going to check it out and take you to Mexico, take you to Key West, and some really fun tropical places. We're excited. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Yep, that's it. Yay, found it. Found our ship. So if you're a little confused of what terminal you're supposed to go to, I find that a little confusing sometimes. When you get here to the Port of Miami, they usually have the cruises that are leaving that day clearly written out, so you can see right away. I saw, oh, there's my cruise. Just know the name of your cruise line, your cruise ship, and it will tell you what terminal to go to. So it's pretty easy to navigate in general. It's a little worrisome at first because you're like, all this information on all these papers, but when you get here, just know the name of your ship and the cruise line, and you should be okay. You'll find it. It's easily written out. We made it. We found parking. Parking is actually $22 a night if you're going to park overnight for a cruise here in Port of Miami. It's $8 if you're just visiting for a couple hours for the day, but overnight parking is $22. It's $10 if you take the cruise or ferry over to Bimini, so that's the difference if you want to think about parking. But we're here now in front of the Carnival Victory. So this is the cruise ship we're taking today. Again, we're going to go tomorrow to Key West, spend the day there, and then we're going to head to Cozumel in Mexico, and then we're going to have a fun day at sea. So the whole day just cruising, enjoying the ship. We'll do a tour for you guys of the ship, and then we arrive back here in Miami. So let's go. Let's enjoy this cruise. They actually have a water station with water and oranges and cucumbers inside before you get on the ship. That's normal when you're getting back on the ship in every port, but I haven't seen it boarding the ship. So. I feel like we do this walk a lot. arrived in our room. Let's check it out. We went for just a basic standard room again, like we did on the last cruise, because we found ourselves not even to use the balcony too much. There's always so much fun things going on. So we just went basic this time. We like to try all the different types of room also. But that's the bathroom. We have a nice lit up mirror, which I really like that. You know, the basic standard cruise room with a desk. We got a big king size bed here and our flat screen TV, which isn't connected yet. We haven't properly put it together. Then some closet space. There's a little fridge in here. We have lots of closet space. Oh, look, and another full-length mirror. That's nice. Girl loves her full-length mirrors. Decent size of a closet space, as long as I can open it. Oh, there's the safe. And also life jackets. So, welcome to the Carnival Victory. Nice little side. All right, let's go have lunch.